Need to issue a refund to a client? It happens to the best of us, and FreshBooks makes the process straightforward, keeping your records clean and accurate. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The key is to do it through FreshBooks, not just through your payment gateway. This ensures your books reflect the refund and your income is accurately reported. First, find the original invoice in your FreshBooks account. Open it up, and look for an option that says Refund or Issue a Refund. It's usually located near the recorded payment. You'll be prompted to enter the refund amount, full or partial, and add a note for your records. FreshBooks will then guide you through processing the refund via the original payment method, like Stripe or PayPal. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: always add a clear internal note. Document why you're issuing the refund. This creates an audit trail for your books and helps you remember the context if you review this transaction later. So, just like that, you've handled a refund professionally, maintaining a good client relationship and keeping your finances perfectly in order. Have you ever had to issue a refund? What was the situation? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.